First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Underneath the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is the turn signal from the front. Behind that is actually the position for the turn signal plug right there. Just to show you guys one more time, right there is that plug that we are supposed to take out. We'll be zooming in to show you guys the takeout process. So we need to grab the plug and turn it anti-clockwise. Once the plug is turned anti-clockwise, then we will just pull out the plug completely. Right there is the plug along with the bulb for the turn signal. Now to take this bulb out, all you have to do is just hold on to the bulb and then push it downwards. Once the bulb is pushed down, then we will turn the plug anti-clockwise. Then you pull out the bulb, just like that. Now my bulb is good, so I will be installing it back. But suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. All you have to do is just make sure that the edges of the bulb right here and then one right there, it matches with the position of the plug right there. Now we will make sure it goes in with respect to the position of the plug. Then we will again push the bulb downwards. This time we will turn the bulb clockwise to install it firm and strong, and notice the bulb is not coming out anymore. This is good. Now we will punch in the plug along with the bulb back to the position where we took it out from. Now before installing the plug back, notice there is that pointer coming out right here. Make sure it is on the left side while installing. You see that is missing from the other side. It's not on there. It's only this side that you see that pointer coming out. We will keep that pointer just like that. We will turn the plug a little bit like this before installing it in that position. With the position of the plug a little bit tilted, we will go ahead and punch in the plug. Notice once the plug completely goes in, only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. There's the plug installed, and notice it is not coming out anymore. With that, we are done with the replacement of the turn signal bulb. Same process applies for the driver's side turn signal bulb. You would see the position of the plug right there. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle. And to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.